Good morning, children. Today we will learn about directions and time. We have public and natural places in our surroundings. In order to know the exact position and location of a place, we have to refer to their directions and the distance. The course that is taken by us to go from one place to another is called directions. There are four main directions. Factopedia. Compass is an instrument that shows the direction. Look at the picture given. It is morning. The sun is rising. The direction in which the sun rises is called the east. He is facing the east. The sun sets in the west. In the evening, the boy's left hand points to north and his right hand points to the south. Children, you should know that sun does not move. It is the earth that moves, due to which it appears as if the sun is rising or setting. Remember, there are four main directions: east, west, north, and south. The directions are opposite to each other. Map. A map is a drawing of a place, usually drawn on a flat surface. This is the map of our country, India, and the four directions. Time. A clock tells us the time. We use a clock or a watch to see the time. Here are the different types of clock and watch. We know about day and night. Day is divided into three major parts: morning, afternoon, and evening. Night is also divided into three major parts: night, midnight, and dawn. Look at this table. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 7 days equal to 1 week. 14 days is equal to 1 fortnight. 30 days is equal to 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 365 days is equal to 1 year. 10 years is equal to 1 decade. 100 years is equals to 1 century. There are 365 days in a year, but in a leap year there are 366 days.